Good day. Today we have an unboxing. You know by the title of the video of what it is, but for me, I do not know what's in the box yet. So let's go ahead and open it up and see what we got. Okay, so what we have here is another tested for life in Canada product. I'm quite excited about this. I love getting these. I've gotten one prior to this and it was a lot of fun. If you haven't watched it yet, check out the video in the description below, or I'll see if I can post it up on the video in the top corner over here somewhere, or over, yeah, anyways, it'll be there. So let's go ahead and crack into this guy and see what we got. So for opening this, we are using a Maximum knife. I do enjoy my Canadian Tire products, so you will probably see more of it on the bench. Probably the case or my parts bin there, a couple tools. Alright, what do we have in here? Oh yeah, this is great. Just what I wanted to test. I thought it was going to be this. I just had this feeling. But, yeah, I'm thinking this is going to be a really short video because today we get to test out this guy right here. Right there, we've got the Paderno Spoon. That's pretty heavy duty though. So what do we have? Non-stick, dishwasher safe, and heat resistant. It has a flat nose, ideal for scraping the bottom of a pot, for those of you that like to get that sticky rice all down in the bottom of the pot there and not want to clean it off. The heat resistant handle. Oh, it's got a scraping edge here. Okay. And a tasting lip. Okay, well, if you say so. It looks like a spoon to me. Comfort grip handle. And I'm going to say this right now. This is actually really comfortable in the hand. Like, it's well done that way. Like, that's quite impressive. So the only thing I'm worried about, let's go ahead and cut this off here and have a closer look here. There we go. Let's get in on this a little bit closer here. So yeah, it's basically a spoon. I'm doing a review video on a spoon. I never thought I would do this, but I am actually doing it. Okay, so I was hoping for a spatula myself, but I will take the spoon here because it's actually pretty cool. It's got a nice weight to it. I'm not gonna lie, I do like that. I don't feel like it's flimsy. The only thing I'm worried about is if it's gonna separate on this area here from the heat over time, which maybe we'll have to test and see what we can do there. But all in all, we have a spoon here, and it does have their logo written on it here. Let me see if I can get in on that. There we go. So now you can see their Paderno, I don't know, eh? So yeah, it is a spoon. It's yeah, not much to say about it really. Like I said, I do like it. This will be great for my rice and my stews, and when I do my crock pot cooking. Well, not me, but you know what I'm saying, eh? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use this a little bit. I'm gonna skip forward to that part right now after I've used it a few times, and we'll see how it has stood up from a week of use. So I will be back in just a second with my final thoughts on this spoon. You know what? At first I was like, it's a spoon. What am I going to do with it? It's a spoon. Okay, so here's the first thing. Let's talk about it. It feels great in my hand. I'm not going to lie. It's not flimsy. It's not going to break. I've used it for about 2 weeks now, and I gotta say, doesn't matter if you throw a stew at it, a pot of rice, whatever it is, these edges, you're actually gonna love these because they do work great for scooping around the outside of that pot when you got stuff stuck on it. So when it comes down to it, this Paderno spoon is by far the best spoon I've used for any of my cooking. Now, I didn't show you any videos of me actually cooking because when I'm editing this, I'll probably get hungry and I'll have to go and use it and, you know, make some food. So over a couple of weeks, multiple different uses, it has been great. There's no nicks, no dings on this part. On the stainless here, it's got your usual wear and tear, but that's going to happen. But all in all, still looks like it's in great shape, and that's from not being very nice with it either. So, would I recommend this? Oh, heck yeah. If you're looking for some spoon that doesn't suck for in your kitchen, seriously, get it. It'll be the last spoon you get. I couldn't believe it. It's absolutely amazing. And I'm sorry, I'm talking about a spoon. It's hard to say that it's absolutely amazing because, well, it's a spoon. How do I put this? I did a review on a spoon. I love the spoon. Make sure you get yours because you know what? There's too many flimsy spoons out there that suck, that ultimately don't have the features that this one does. They have the rounded edges, or it separates on it after, you know, you have it in the water boiling for too long, or any of that kind of scenarios. Whereas I actually even put this into a pot while the water is boiling to see if I could actually get it to separate, and it was absolutely fine. So with that being said, this has been tested for use in Canada. My name is Wesley Gardner. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day, a wonderful week, and take care, eh? Look at that. Look at that spoon. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at that. Oh. Can I get in there? Can I get in there? Oh, look at that. Oh, it's so shiny.